We are on our way to Vegas.
We're gonna have to walk up the road and go find something. It's our best bet.
When you're in the middle of nowhere.
Excuse me, we have flat tire back up the road a few miles.
Come with me.
Sometimes you have no choice.
It's not really safe to drive at night, and we've got motel rooms out back.
But to ask for help.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Ray.
Just happy to help out.
You'll be shocked when you see the rooms.
What was that?
Yeah.
Is anyone there?
Wake up. Hey.
Look at that.
Somebody's watching this.
From the director and writer of You Got Served.
What do you want from us?
Don't want you dying.
No one
Please, you don't have to do this.
rests
You guys aren't going anywhere.
in peace.
Please let us out of here.
You are not going to believe what we have in store for you.
This is fun.
Ready, fellas?
The best part, you get to watch.
What are you people?
We're the helpers. We help put people out of their misery.
No vacancy.
Hello?